How many of y'all have faced with constipation at least once in a lifetime? And I can definitely say that it's one of the uncomfortable situations everyone must have faced. I am Dr. Swapnil Nagwekar, founder of Dr. Swapnil's Health Arc, and I regularly post videos that will make an impact in your life. Constipation is a very common health problem. If you look at a recent health survey, around 22% Indians suffer from constipation, and worldwide, 16% of the population are affected. So, what is constipation? Constipation is defined as if you have less than 3 movements per week and it is associated with severe pain or straining. You have the feeling of incomplete evacuation, and the stool may be hard or lumpy. What causes constipation? Constipation occurs because of inadequate intake of water, there is inadequate intake of fiber, improper chewing of food. If you have underlying medical condition like intestinal obstruction, irritable bowel syndrome, if you have overuse or misuse of laxatives, continuous stress, anxiety, depression can lead to constipation. Who is at risk of constipation? Pregnant women, elderly people, children, and patients who are bedridden. So let's dive into how to manage your constipation. Keep a fixed time for your toilet. If you have a fixed time for your toilet, there are chances that you will be consistent in your bowel evacuation. And the best time for bowel evacuation is the early morning time. Because if you don't have a motion in the early morning, then there are chances of buildup of toxins in the body. One more thing I want to mention to this is, most of us are using the Western style toilet. So in the Western style toilet, what happens when you sit on it, our body is 90 degrees with the leg. So as a result, the muscles of the rectum get kinked, so the smooth evacuation of stools doesn't occur. You can place a small footstool in the ground and you can rest your legs on the footstool. So as a result, what will happen is, you will come back to your normal position, that is a squatting position, and the rectum muscle will be relaxed, especially the puborectalis. So it will help you in smooth evacuation of your stool. Try to consume Triphala Churn. According to Ayurveda, Triphala Churn is supposed to be best remedy for constipation. So try adding half to 1 teaspoon of Triphala Churn in 1 glass of warm water and try to consume at night time. Use a combination of milk and ghee. Try adding 1 or 2 teaspoon of ghee in 1 glass of hot milk and try to consume at the bedtime, which can be effective against constipation. Try consuming fennel tea. Add 1 or 2 teaspoon of fennel seeds to boiling water and use this decoction. This decoction can be useful against constipation as it helps in reducing the flatulence and also helps in digestion. Anjeer or black resin or prune soaked overnight in warm water can be consumed in the early morning, which can be very helpful in constipation. Next useful remedy is, have lemon water with salt and honey and try consuming it in early morning in fasting state. As lemon is a digestive stimulant and salt helps in contraction of the bowel muscles, both help in flushing out the toxins from the gut. You need to increase your fiber in the diet, so start your morning routine with chia seed water. Try consuming fiber-rich fruits. Fruits are rich in water, minerals and digestive enzymes. So fiber-rich fruits includes papaya, pineapple, apples and citrus fruits. You can also consume vegetables rich in fiber like sweet potato, root vegetables, broccoli and spinach. You can also consume whole grains which are rich in fiber like whole wheat, ragi, bajra, oats, barley, buckwheat, etc. So what are the lifestyle changes you need to advocate which can help you in improving your constipation? First thing is, drink adequate quantity of water. Dehydration causes constipation. If you drink adequate quantity of water, it can help you in relieving your constipation. But if you have sugary drinks or any carbonated drink, it can worsen your constipation. Exercise more. A sedentary lifestyle can make you more prone for constipation. So if you do regular exercise like cycling, running, walking, jogging, which can help you in relieving your constipation. Avoid fast foods, as most of the fast foods contain refined flour. Avoid cold drinks or cold foods. Instead, try to have warm drinks and warm food. Never hold your stools if there is an urge to defecation. And last is, try some yoga asanas, which can help you in relieving constipation like a cobra pose, spinal twist, etc. Constipation is commonly a short-term problem and it can be resolved with home remedies. But at times you need to visit your doctor if there is blood in the stool, if there is constant nagging pain, bloating, etc. If you want to improve your digestion, then you can download the free PDF guide. The link will be shared below. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share and comment on this video.